Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello students, myself Tulu Bhaiji, and this year I am going to teach you computer subject. I welcome you all. So let's learn about the computers first. So computer have become a necessity for many of us. We can make use of a computer to learn, to have fun and to carry out many other tasks. So for this we have to know how to use the computer, and in that we have to learn about how to start the computer laptop safely and how to switch off the computer and laptop safely. So to switch on a desktop or a personal computer, the monitor and the cabinet should be plugged into a power source. As you can see in the picture, they are plugged. Okay, both the systems are plugged into the power source. Switch on the power source for both the cabinet and the monitor. Here there is a switch, so you have to switch on the buttons. Then press the power button on the cabinet and the monitor. There is a power button. You have to press this power button on a cabinet and the monitor. Wait until the process of boosting finishes. This is nothing but the computer is ready to start. There will be some type of like this hourglass will be shown. So that means this is nothing but the computer is getting ready to start. So after the boosting process is complete, a desktop screen with an icon appears. The computer is now ready to start. Okay, and it will appear like a arrow. So to switch on a laptop, tablet or a notebook, make sure your device is charged with enough battery power. For the laptop, make sure you have enough battery power. Okay students? Then press the power button, wait till the computer finishes the boosting process and the home screen appears. The device is now ready to use. As you can see here, there is a power button here. For laptop and notebooks, the power button is usually present just above the keyboard. Just understand only one thing, students. While switching on the computer or any other device, we need to be very patient. Do not press any other keys or buttons until the startup process is complete and the desktop or a home screen is displayed on the computer, monitor or on the screen of any other device. Now that we know how to start the computer or any other similar devices, we can use them to perform many tasks. After using the computer, we need to shut it down. Shutting the computer saves energy and allows the computer to cool down. If we don't follow the required steps to switch off the computer, we may lose some important data stored on the computer. To switch off a computer, save your work and close any open applications. Any open applications means if you have opened any applications in the Windows, so you have to first close it out. Save. Click on the start button. Here you can see there is a start button. Okay, when you press this start button, click on the start button and then click on the shutdown. Wait until the computer completely shut down and the monitor display is turned off. Switch off the power source. The same steps need to be followed to shut down a laptop or a notebook. So students, let's watch a short video of how to use the computer, how to start the laptop, how to start the computer and how to switch off the computer.
When you're feeling blue, you don't know what to do. Boot it up, boot that computer up. When you want some fun and all your homework's done, boot it up, boot that computer up. Boot it up, boot it up. Kliko, what are you doing?
Hi, Rini. I have got some work to do on the computer, so I'm switching it on.
Gosh, I always want to know how to switch on the computer. At school, our teacher always switches on the computer. Can you teach me how to switch on the computer, Clicko?
Sure, Rini. I will tell you steps and you perform the steps.
Yes, Clicko.
First, remove all the covers from the computer and its devices. Now, switch on the main socket button on the switchboard.
Yes, I have pressed the switch on.
Now, switch on the UPS.
Yes, I have pressed the UPS button on. Look, a green light is glowing in the UPS.
Yes, the UPS has powered up now. Now, switch on the CPU power button.
Yes, I have pressed the power button on the CPU. I can hear a faint noise inside the box.
It is the CPU starting up. Now, switch on the monitor button.
Yes, I have switched it on. A green light is glowing, but nothing has appeared on the screen.
Relax, Rini. It may take some time to show the main screen as the system is booting up.
Look, the computer screen desktop is appearing on the monitor.
Yes, the computer is starting up. Look, Rini, this is the mouse pointer. It now looks like an hourglass. It means that the computer is busy and will need some time to start up. Now, the hourglass has changed to the arrow pointer. This means the computer is now ready. We can start working on it. Now, can you remember the steps how to turn on the computer?
Yes, Clicko. I can now always turn on the computer. Thank you for your help.
It's my pleasure to help you.
Oh, what should we do to turn off the computer? Should we just switch off the main socket switch?
No, Rini. We should never switch off the computer directly. It may harm the computer. There are a number of steps you should follow to turn off a computer.
Please tell me the steps and I will switch off the computer.
Okay, first of all, click on Start or the Windows sign on the screen of the monitor. Look, it is located at bottom left corner of the screen.
I have clicked on it. A panel has appeared on the screen.
Can you see the shutdown option in the panel? Well, click on it.
Yes, I can see that. I have clicked on it.
Good. Now the computer will take a few minutes to turn off automatically. Look, the screen has now turned black. It means the computer is now turned off. The CPU also gets automatically turned off. So, we are not required to turn off the CPU. Now, switch off the monitor and after that switch off the UPS. And switch off the main power socket switch. Now, I hope you know how to switch on and off a computer.
Yes, I do now.
So, always remember these steps while turning on or off a computer.
Definitely, Clicko.
So students, hope you have understand the concept very clearly. How to use the computer, how to start the computer safely, how to switch off the computer safely. I have shown the video of how to start the laptop safely, and the switching off method of the laptop is the same as the computer. So students, till then take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.